guys, do you want to see the links which you have visited on your Instagram account, or one of your friends or your family member have used your Instagram account and you want to see that either he have visited any of the link on your Instagram account? So I'm just going to tell you the exact way how to check for it. So just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more. Thanks guys. First of all, just simply open up your Instagram app and then go to a profile section, and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner and go to your activity option, and then here scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the option of link you have visited. By tapping on this option, here it will show all of the links which you have visited or one of your friends or family member have visited on your Instagram account. So here it said no link history because I have not visited any of the link recently. So that's how you can easily check for the links you have visited on Instagram. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next video. And if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel because it helps me much more.